Hello, I'm Marcin Duszynski. I have been with Kainos for almost 9 years. I started as a senior software engineer and now I'm a solution architect. It's been a fascinating journey, allowing me to evolve from a software developer to a technical leader and finally to the solution architect. I enjoy most, except great people, the wide range of projects we deliver, and the support in exploring new technical areas. Those two factors extremely speed up professional growth and constantly allow you to find something new, something interesting, something exciting. It's a very good question. We are almost like a family. We are supporting each other in all areas. If one of us has an issue, then all are keen to help. We have a strong feeling that what we are building is something important. We are a team, a great team. It depends. In the summer, I like almost all water sports. I'm sailing, kitesurfing, or swimming on the CCP when there's no wind. In the winter, I ride on the snowboard or read books, not only related to IT. Team, growth, safety. If you want to accelerate your career with nice people around you and try a lot of modern technologies, the best what you can do is to join our team. If you still hesitate, write to me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to clarify your concerns.